And if you drive through Lafayette, you'll want to look out for a credit card skimmer there. Police tell us they found skimmers inside two pumps at the Circle K station off of Ferry Street near Earl Avenue. That's west of Sagamore Parkway. From the outside, you can't tell any sign of a skimmer. They were only found because technicians looked at the pumps after they broke. So far, no fraud has been tied to those skimmers, though.